Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Windows Update error code 0x8024B102 on your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side go to system settings, thereafter go to right side and scroll down and look for the option troubleshoot. Troubleshoot is an Windows inbuilt tool and you must apply first to resolve any Windows related issues. Choose other troubleshooters and here run Windows Update troubleshooters. It will not only detect the issue, try to fix accordingly. So you must run troubleshoot on your system first and check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next one is right click on a start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch Run dialog box in your system and here type services.msc. This command will open services windows in your system. So open services windows in your system and here you will have to start or restart 3 to 4 services, Windows Update related services, and the first one is background intelligent transfer service. Right click on it and first choose start. If already found it in a start mode, then restart it. Thereafter apply a double click on it to open its properties and go to startup type and set it as automatic. Press apply and OK to save the change. The second services is cryptographic services. Same process, right click on it, choose start, otherwise restart. Apply a double click on it to open its properties windows and set a startup type as automatic. Press apply and OK to save the changes. The same procedure will be applied for next services, and the next services is Windows installer services. Scroll down and look for Windows installer services. Right click on it and choose start or restart. Apply a double click on it to open its properties. You can't amend a startup type, so close the windows. And the last one is Windows Update services. Same process, right click on it, choose start, otherwise restart, and open its properties windows by applying a double click on it and set a startup type as automatic. Press apply and OK to save the changes. And after that, restart your system and check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows Search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt windows, first execute these three DISM tool one by one to scan your system. First one is DISM scanhealth, DISM checkhealth, and DISM restorehealth. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process, and once successfully execution of this 3 DISM tool, don't forget to execute sfc scan now command. Simply type sfc slash scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted files existence in your system or not. It will scan your system, wait till 100% verification complete, and after that restart your system and check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again go to Windows Search, type disk cleanup. There may be a possibility of a storage issues, so open disk cleanup windows in your system and select the drive you want to clean up, most probably Windows C drive where your program files exist. And once new windows will open, here make the check against all these options: recycle pen, temporary files, downloaded temporary files, and others, and click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Choose delete files. It will not only release extra space to your system but temporary caches also removed. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type cmd again and open command prompt windows run as administrator mode. And here execute some Windows update components as shown on the screen. First, stop these four services, execute all these four services one by one, followed by enter key on each time. First, stop these four services in command prompt windows one by one, and thereafter execute other commands, other these two commands also. All this command path will also available in my videos description box. You may copy from there. So execute one by one these two commands also, and after that execute these four commands to start all those four services you have earlier stopped them. Now start them. Execute one by one followed by enter key on each times. And after that, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your Windows Update error code in your system resolved or not. If not, manually download and install Windows Update from Microsoft Update Catalog. Open your Google Chrome browser and here type Microsoft Update Catalog. Press enter and open first result appeared Microsoft Update Catalog, and here type the KB update which you want to download and install and you are facing errors. Now manually download and install Windows latest update. Simply look for this update. For example, we will search KB50405227 and all these related updates will available. Simply click on download button against each update and manually